To me, the voice so sweet, I thought I heard the shuffle of angels. He called my name and my heart stood still when he said, John, go do my will. Go tell that long-tongued liar.
Well, troopers, we're still rescuing away here. Got Trooper G's Red Trooper stuck in a little public dog park, sort of trail staging parking lot. Got the tools set up, and we're giving him a brand new Gates belt set because he blew his alternator belt and got stuck here. But look at these little babies from the dollar store for $2 a package. Get 10 of these stainless steel cable ties. These things are frickin' awesome. You can use these in place of a, you can use these to secure a CV boot. You can use these to secure a hose. You can use these to replace these old fucking weird proprietary hose clamps that were ovalated. I mean, you can't replace these just with a stainless steel hose clamp, but I'm telling you, what you do is you take 2 or 3 of these ties and you replace each one of those and just make it tight, and the next time you take it off, you just leave them on there. Or you replace them with more, but you can't wiggle this intake on there, and actually I can show you on Goldie. You can wiggle this intake on there, and you can just snap it in place. It works easy, so you can really do a lot of stainless steel. But anyways, yeah, brand new Gates belt set here. Trooper G's Red Trooper will be on the road again soon. It's an '89, we got to give it a name.